Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Muma streets makaoma Thomas Mandaza is lost his manhood after achekwa ne bishurake, or actually the girlfriend. Kurukunzi izwe the wife works at a primary school anogara kureka iwo long distance enyu aya. So the man was alone at home and decided to invite aside Chiki Kumba. This girl is 24. The man is 43. So ndo zvirikuitika izvi. So this man has been rushed kuchipatara. Kwaari kuedza kuti vasone vagadzirise, but pakaipa guys. So the circumstances leading to this story, Kurukunze, the man Thomas invited the girlfriend to come for a sleepover. Vasvika vakadya bota, they slept. 3 a.m. she woke up to check the phones and she started communicating with this other girlfriend. She was very angry and she took a broken mirror rangari paside pembeda and put it inside the blankets. Then she woke up the man as if she was trying to be intimate with him. So as soon as the man was ready, she took the mirror and cut off the manhood. So the man took the manhood into his pocket. They drove all the way to the police station where the girl was left in police custody. So they are busy trying to patch things up, and all. Please don't forget to leave your comments on what you think about this issue, and don't forget to share and like.